No, what are you training? Yanzu. Yeah, what you training? No, pronounce it.
No.
Na we are no.
Okay.
And we inform players no. Say after you training no pano. Upon training no, and oko meeting. Na meeting nase no. Ye de ato nanim say no. Ontimi enye entwaso enye the head coach of the team. Na Richie asem we ye. What are catchy players in no park in so area no. And my institute or record say at a point na watara 18 issue. Tamana o inform players no about the decision. Na also. Na what are catchy players in say. Or Gidi say decision am mpanyimfo ateki no. O ma anye fair. Na Ojira players nanim no players no kwa ne be ya adwen say baby obeto house team no ene nkakra all try so be improving your man nka this season great atwa mu ide house etimi awura mu e wo top 4 no Ojiri say nka top 4 no e man the platform to improve more e wo team no no ka cha versus asaka baby anka e be di sen ye buta ne senka ye sabe yire ye wonanka ya sa kosuru biem nanso so no the information na omodi ama no say ontimi ento aso in this adwumadi no biem Rich Coach Watara again told the players say on free house pen komodie no but the obetima catch you say enyon no your head coach BM. And in the last 2 seasons, how close are or yet to omu players no? Sadia no assassin. Because Rona no play now a man opportunity to be close to omo no. Se say sa no own play BM. Baby a chiri ma adwene kakra. And they say Rich Coach Watara told the players he has been asked, say, he are reassigning to the technical directorship. But you listen to Chairman Hesse, and he's saying, say, Omo NCC for the crowd here, they don't care about Watara being simply because Watara any role on the technical structure of has beam on your coach, on your technical director, about technical issues are on Ben Hobium.
If you at that time and not every second, no information be as you say, be your opinion and banco, and also still now be hold your position in house.
But Rich, the meeting informing Watara. Say no. Answer na some meeting ibe koso no. Then the NCC had been met. I'm not make catch your time and a program no.
Okay.
And now has management and board were meeting the NCC. And Omushia NCC no ne omo whilst now Coach Watara was training. And they were told everything. Look, that is the reason why Rich many a section of Nkofo Moka say na e was a house e concluded with Watara na omuhu the decision they've taken on Watara make it official and add that content to sa content somebody be announce masa wo Didi Dramani no
nti
minister on me tia say
ma to ase pa
team na e
na ase prentam dodo
team na e ho no coach
ana masesa no sa
coach na no ho no say e no kwese mo be reassign na then do that reassignment, let it be official so that when you are telling us say a free neko ya say coach now we na ba you will inform us in that same content say na mom dey na order that no so no say no say and oh yeah
have some the official communicate beba to munya today
you see and they leave you room
for speculation
for people to speculate and do more political damage to the team. Rich, me know better now. Hey, Sanka has I definite on Masawood Aba or for many backroom staff. Kotuatara Yedini Kosia. We'll go straight forward and discuss that. But here I am telling you, say, I know for a fact. So Watara will catch a place and say, ye in the was Akunya as the head of the first team, but ye any technical director. Chairman Hessa is also saying, say Watara any business with the technical structure of House of Folk. Which one should we believe? That is where the gap is. But Enonu could be discussing for another day. Rich, let's go into Has decision.
The appointment of Didi Dramani.
Obia or 30 in Sheriff Bia. Eben Hunu say, me, I had always argued, say, Coach Watara, Rich, me Gidi say, Enikwaso. My reasons were simple. Jumedi na odino. Per the standard of House of Folk. In standard ye Haas is a very, very competitive club. That is the DNA of the club. See about season bia. Every trophy bia has a competitive mubiano. Rich a Haas target is to win sa trophy. And to the moment a coach be beba. Now or you far off sa standards no. Rich, then it means that there is a problem. Emma coaching and you're good enough for Haas because the coach, the competence, and the ON doesn't match with the team's DNA. That is the first one. They are to me, you know. Rich, Mikao Fia say Haas impending for in their evaluation of Coach Watara. Say almost step it down, not omuko grounds. Say omuni players are Haas and one dim gomo. Na omabusa players and say muna dada muni coach ni adwuma. The way or buy you know on mu ye adwuma no. Number 1, improving mu ana. Number 2, man ho den a ye gina so ye be fa mo ba House of Folk. Say wo asamo button wo ye striker. Wo kwabna button wo ye striker Lagos Cities ne ko fa ba ye. Hussein wo ye midfielder and ye ko fa ba we wo ye say Martin Kakari wo ye say and ye ko fa ba ye. Seto say wo ye say ni ti ne ko fa ba ye no. Sa nyoma na edua mu na ye hu se mo ya wa other class enu nti ne ya ti sika ko form aba no. Money coach Watara year juma day in day out. More planning for games. All more strategies are ye be red games mu how you be winning game. How when you know when mo boni say no. That's your working relationship with the coach. And the omamu koye ewo park in no. Does it improve more players no? And does it bring out the potential like what players in him? Rich, me catch them say if Haas was supposed to do that. They will get 70% of the players saying say no. Their coach in the it doesn't improve them and it doesn't bring even the raw potential of players in him. Because for me, Coach Watara throughout the season had behaved as if say he doesn't even know the profile of the players. Oh, Rich. Your players
are bomb out of position.
Your players you know them to be naturally this, but you see them playing differently under Coach Watara.
Tell them say is a BB the tweak. Is a BB the tweak. You see, Coach is tweaky or standing some.
You see, when we talk about tactical variations in the tweaks in Rich, the tweaks are done in little details.
Okay.
Yeyen kakra and yeyen kakra bi to BB. But when it is say the structure of the team itself, and you're very dependent on the skill set and profiles of the players, that is a big problem. And Rich unim se coach in the players wo. Now if that is an established fact, says you will always have problems with the players. Always. Because player biya or no here you Rich Esheni Trim say you are not doing the best to bring what is in him nobody will be happy. Rich, me want to see say Monday your bed, ma. Na me do any more na say front desk air and me letter. Na letter ni say me be mo you see general manager Jimmy. I say we assigning me Ayala to the newsroom. And that's say you better news will in share from 5:30. Me na baba I will never be happy. I will leave because that is not my job. I guess any idea me to me I don't know. That is the point I want to establish. Rich, the last one. Matisem Kofo Kase. In the Watara contest discussion, no. Say open so we fair to the conversation. Aya nan some chop for so mudiebo. Munya broad. Na mun say if the materials are the ma Watara no. Aya materials be a ebetimi amano achieve sa success na wo ka say house DNA na. Rich, they be ameka same way and I'll continue to say it. It is more dangerous. It is more dangerous if say obi be adwumam na enipa ko ne ba na o compromise on the standards just to survive in the job at the expense of the ultimate standards of adwuma no. Ti asem na make any you say obi be adwumam na say just because of person surviving ti or ti asie ni adwuma ni mufo e compromise the standard of the job na oto standard nankasa senior abonte so for ni wiase nyina enim the standard nankasa of the job na it is more dangerous. The message make any say house oya house supporter wutie mi a na say unim say efrim resantri ni nyina no house they always have to be competing. Nemo no ujitum say coach Watara baye no players are dey competing no ojitum ema yeto players are omo below the standard of us. And no omo ye adwuma enu nti no say wo momu gina sa de no so the amane skill say and na ontimi achieve the success. I am saying say it is more dangerous for you to accommodate a coach that will accept substandards and say so paying for the saint yenye sa
for him say has a big challenge has a result oriented club your bosses in the agili
yes
ti o trani akofa players bia ba
but na say o ka say
because so save
paying for the say ye for mo sa enti say mo ye discussion na mo say paying for so entimi anto players papa na mame look any coach what is sort our gidi say onimadwuma or person better ni CV na o person comfort na say look ube so dwuma ku emu no say na standard ne tie oba wait me keep standard no say o ko for some standard players bre no na onim so want to for players na achieve the standard of the club he will tell you and leave. That is it. He will tell you enti say ujitum na o compromise o standard kakra bi na wonem panyimfo ba ye da ko so ye mfa bi saa nyahwe a me se wo ye hase na wutie mi a honi se saa de ni mom more dangerous to accommodate and it is better so Watara beko. Now you see based on insema making Rich clear what my expectations of Didi Dramani here because sanu mama mi ensen a mabobo bosu ya me giri se Watara entimi achieve no it is the same thing. And I mean to Amadi say that is what he's supposed to do. Number one, has on the standards, has on the DNA, has DNA is to compete and win trophies. And to coach Didi Dramani, Wabano, your first thing is to do that. Number two, has our players that they are going to add up to those players. And your coach Didi Dramani, and in the new technical team Nejuma, say they will improve the players. And they will play the players, to suit Omu profile, to bring the best out of them to compete. Then the last one, Eddie Amake.
I know
Didi. Emu semne na say na hedeja.
Pressure ho.
Say one share you will be compromised. And when you become compromised by enya she yemfa we sa enya she we kwa the chairman na no so openo ba wo coach rusun say akwai onuru standard no but say chairman so openo okay say chairman dia ne magia tomu. At the end of the day, Rich, if you bring in the materials na oman produce the expected results per has standard wo and be scapegoat.
Okay.
Assuming Coach Watara edge to mu, the place na because he was like, chairman, I see him for Wimra, when I say ni sika beso ni we at the end of the day one ya pamono ono into Coach Didi Dramani oman and now Matisse say Henry Marty, former Blasters team manager, and team manager for Haas, Coach Masoud Didi Dramani, Eddie Ghazali, and Fifi Parker from Golden Cakes. But
Ghazali open as and power.
Didi Dramani is a loyalist. Yes, Uncle Fonibi, we me nipa, we me ba, we otimasie, we unim how am ye me juma. Me, I am expecting minim Didi Dramani Rich. Didi, entina make us a be a time I'm permitted, but Rich, Didi Dramani na minim no. Will not accept a structure and answer or accept him in the practicality of it. It will not work if Coach Watara is almost sporting director, because already some set up na Didi Dramani Debana Rich, he is more going to be the technical director and the manager to the first team, and allow Ghazali and Fifi Parker to do the first team coaching job. Oba, he summarizes it, draw up the strategy, we go into it, then Obe supervise Juman. That is what Didi is all about. Very, very good manager and administrator. He is going to manage the technical team very, very well. And on there, AM and Nijisa has a fan. Okay, and I see Didi was the Black Galaxies coach. Say, the local Blasters coach.
Only place.
Then it means say, I just say no. Did you have had an idea what the terrain is and who are the best players in the system? That should guide him to get some quality players to how to folk. Now, so we wish Didi all the best. Yamana Kwaba, we typical Ghana football. You say every week be everybody wanting about be doing couple.
Sure. Now, minimum so by has supporters and do na expectations. I was so. Now.